Hi gang, this is Dr. Wilson again. Sorry for my delay. You're on the downhill side in a big way in your first online class here at HBU. You really just have 2 assignments left to do. One of these is your book presentations, and you're going to do these in a collaborative way. If you remember the standards that we examined a long time ago back at the beginning of the course, students should learn how to collaborate via distance on projects. So I think it's important for you as teachers to be able to do that as well. I've already logged myself into my Google Docs Drive, and I just want to show a couple of things with you. If I look at docs that have been shared with me, these are generally documents that my students have created and listed me and shared them with me as they have collaborated on projects. And so this is where your documents will show up for me as well. Remember, you were supposed to, for planning, go to the Create button and create first just a document. And this document is something that you will use. You'll put the title of your book, and you'll want to include your group members. And this is going to be your planning document, but also work as your book summary paper. Now, remember, you're going to spend about 3 or 4 pages of this document summarizing what do you think were the main points of the book. And I think each of you can contribute different elements that you think are important parts to include as part of the book. The initial person should start the document, whoever signed up for the book first. Right now, you can tell under share, it's only for myself, but you'll want to click the share button, title it first. So you'll use your book title, whatever it is. Grow Up Digital. And save it. And this is where I can give different people access. So if I want to put someone else in my class, then I can do that here. You need to choose what you want them to be able to do. So all your group members should be able to edit, right? So be sure you choose edit and then send them an email. So it will go to this email address. They'll get a link to it, and that will enable them to email, to edit this document. You'll want to put everyone in his email and as editing with editing privileges, and include myself in this as well. Share and save. This is the link now you could send to people, but remember, they'll also all get an email saying that they are now editors and they can work on the document. Then I'll click done down here. And this is your planning document that you're going to use and your book summary document. Notice the title changed up here. You have a variety of tools and things that can help you. I also am able to go in and look at who changed what in the document. So right now, all the green is what D. Wilson has done. So at the end, it's easy for anyone, you as the teacher or myself as the teacher, to see who did what and contributed in what way to the particular document. So that's very helpful, I think, as we're working to collaborate. Also, in the same area, you're going to create a presentation for the class. So this time we're going to go to the Create button and go to Presentation. And this is much like PowerPoint or Keynote, if you're familiar with those. You'll quickly get this presentation kind of look and feel to the document. You'll again put whatever title you want. This should probably match the book. You can choose a theme right away and make it look kind of uniform in some way if you want to do that. You're not going to be graded on how fancy this is. You're graded on the content. So don't spend a bunch of time obsessing over fanciness. This is the title. You can add additional slides here with the plus. So I want a title and body slide next. Important points to consider. Okay, so you'll get several slides here. In this, I can also do title only. And you can do several different kinds of inserting. If there's a, excuse me, you can insert images. And when I go to the insert image, I can drag an image here if I have something I want to use, let's say from my desktop. I've always got something on my desktop, which is kind of a problem as a matter of fact. Let's say I bring, I can't see anything because I've got all this junk on my desk. This and drop it in. So I'm going to talk about something on Weebly. Of course, it didn't like that picture. Here's another thing with pictures in it. You can always get something that is off the web. So that's an option for you. So you get images and drag and drop them in, and then you can add text boxes to better facilitate, drag and drop things around as you like to fill your page. I can also very easily include video, and here I can search for videos on YouTube. So if I'm looking for something particular on digital natives, maybe I can find something there that I want to use. If I choose it, I can preview it here, and if I choose that I want to use it, then I can choose select. And so that's a real easy way to embed the videos. The videos play directly. Really nice way to view. So you all will work together on your presentation piece as well. You're presenting the book, the summary of the book, and the ideas of the book. What are other people saying about the book? And what do you all think about the book that you read? In the end, we'll all view it and give some feedback, brainstorm some things that we're all learning about the same topic. So nice, quick, and dirty at the end. Of course, this one I have not shared to anybody, so don't forget I need to title it. So here's another title. And then, of course, I want to add people and share it so that everybody can collaborate with me. And then also put Dr. Wilson on there so that I can see it as well. Hope that this has been a helpful, quick tutorial and you can get busy working on your group presentation. I can't wait to see them. Thanks so much.